Here we have an inequality. X plus 2 is greater than 6. And you're asked to solve this. After we solve it, we're going to show the solution set on a number line as well. So it's just like a linear equation. So what we need to do is to solve for x. So if we want to solve for x, we need to get rid of the positive 2 here. So let's take 2 both sides to get rid of the positive 2. So when I take 2 both sides here, this here would become 0. So I have just x on the left hand side. We still have our inequality sign. 2 from 6 gives us 4. So x is greater than positive 4. So to show the solution set on our number line, we would have 0 here on our number line and positive 4 maybe somewhere here. And it says it's greater than 4. So we draw an open circle. It's not equal to 4, so we do not shade the circle. What we do, we use an arrow just to show that all the values after 4 to positive infinity would be a solution. So some possible solutions of integer solution of this would be positive 5, 6, 7, and so on. So 3 possible solutions would be 5, 6, 7 to positive infinity. So all of these values here satisfy the inequality. Let us look at another example. Here we have 3x plus 7 is less than 22. And you're asked to solve this inequality. You solve it just like a normal linear equation. So we need to solve for x. So we need to get the x term on one side of the equation. So let us get rid of the positive 7 on the left hand side here. So I'm going to take 7 both sides. So when we take 7 both sides, here 7 from 7 would give us 0. So we just have 3x is less than 7 from 22 gives us 15. So we have 3x is less than 15. We need to get x, so we need to get rid of this 3. So by dividing both sides by 3, we get x on the left hand side here, because 3 into 3 here goes 1, so we just have x is less than 3 into 15 goes 5. So on our number line, positive 5 would be somewhere here, and it says x is less than 5, so we draw an open circle but we do not shade it, and all the values from here onwards to negative infinity will be a solution. So if we want 3 integer solution of this, it means that that would be 4, 3, 2. So 3 integer solutions would be 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here we have another inequality. We have 7x minus 9 is less than or equal to 19. So we need to solve for x. So we need to get rid of the minus 9. So if we add 9 both sides here, that's less than or equal to 19 plus 9. What we have here on the left hand side would be minus 9 plus 9 would give us 0, so we just have 7x is less than or equal to 19 plus 9 gives us 28. So we need to get x, so we divide both sides by 7. So on the left hand side, This here would cancel out, so we just have x is less than or equal to 7 to 28 goes 4. So we can write x is less than or equal to 4. And as a solution on the number line, we draw a number line and we have 0 on our number line here. Positive 4 would be somewhere out here, positive 4. And it says less than or equal to 4. So we draw our circle and we shade it in because 4 is a solution, 4 is included, and it's all the values from 4 to negative infinity would be a solution. So 3 possible solutions for this inequality would be 4, 3, 2. Those are 3 possible solutions. Thank you for listening, and I hope you do understand how to solve inequalities.